Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen you come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani igama remingthini mfokaswela mswati lomnanzi football fusion sibuyile with another one
Yeah.
phekwabo
Sibuyile baba.
Skuta baba.
On today's episode, we are looking at the Orlando Pirates against Richards Bay in the Carling Black Label Cup. First, we'll be looking at their midweek game, which they played against Golden Arrows and Richards Bay as well, or on their game, which they played against East Kukun. Firstly, let's start on yesterday's game because there were some positives on the side of your Orlando Pirates. Um, okay, firstly, the changes that coach keeps on making in that Orlando Pirates team. What do you make of that?
I think the coach is proving to us, a lot of us,
Yeah,
that he's not building a one band team.
yeah,
It's a multiple band, because
yeah.
it's like the changes he make, they leave us confused. Mhlawumbe masabuka starting lineup,
In
and
fact, we get irritated.
yes, usabuka starting lineup and you're like, lo mchita wenzani, But if you watch the game, you see it's okay. Whatever changes he made, they are so impactful.
Yeah.
It's like, for me, I think they are good because it makes some players not to get comfortable. Very, that's my position. I will forever be in that starting lineup because whichever player he puts, they perform. So even the loss of bench, say, let's give this one a chance. Now you might want to say, this one is trying to take my position. And so coach, the coach, even my option money.
Yeah.
And it makes difficult for our teams when they're going to face a Pirates.
True. Even to plan for them.
Well, how do you prepare for Pirates? For example, we didn't have Smellevel on the bench at all.
At all.
So for me, I think coach is building a big giant that's gonna be hard to deal with in the few coming months or so.
Yeah, man. Yeah. There were some players who actually performed yesterday.
Yeah.
To name one, in fact, Umbutuma.
Yeah.
We know his story, good CAF Champions League, where he missed a penalty and it wasn't so good.
A very crucial penalty.
What I like about that is the support that he got. Yeah, if you can just dissect into that and tell us what it means and what in terms of like the confidence.
Yeah. Obvious. Any player missing such a very crucial penalty, go to the next game, he confident to win here. But looking at the coach, which is still it tried to give him, I still believe in you. That was just a penalty. And then what does he do? He takes the chance and say, Coach, I say you believe in me, I'm gonna deliver for you. So for him scoring those 2 goals and going to the next game, obviously confident. So it means a lot to him. So shout out to him as well. He can't help big pants now. It's not like I'm going in ish. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna miss what? No, he delivered. So confident booster for me, that one.
Yeah, that's true. Even if you look at the goals that he scored,
beautiful goals.
It's not just any goal.
Yes.
Especially the second one.
Yeah.
There was
it shows how brilliant he is. Yes.
Exactly. It's a player who's playing freely, in fact.
Correct.
Yeah. Let's look at Richards Bay because it wouldn't be fair if we were looking at Richards Bay. Richards Bay, they played out Troya 1-1 on their last game, Kui Lake.
Yeah.
In fact, they were the ones who leveled the score late in the game. Do you see them as upset the Orlando Pirates?
I think okay. Before I answer that question, I think football, the problem is you keep it to a therefore. Because if you look what Bona they throw against Sekokun beat Pirates.
Yeah.
So your ball there's no therefore.
True.
So but taking nothing away from that, I mean, if they were able to play, because Kokun is on good form. So if they were able to level with Sekokun, so I see them giving Pirates something to play for, but I don't see them winning the game.
Yeah. Okay, I know. We'll be there.
Yeah.
All I can say as a Pirates fan is that we want to pay revenge. Because that's the team 2 seasons ago, as keeper, with the same cup.
Yeah.
Yes, under Coach Rivero. So we need to settle the score there. Nothing more, nothing less.
Let's just hope history won't repeat itself. Yeah, that's all I can tell you.
Hopefully,
We'll be there to
hopefully.
watch, to
Yeah.
witness how it goes.
Yeah, true. Bafethu, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like, share the video with friends, tell the friends to tell the friends that we are there by YouTube. Man,